Hello, fashion friends. I am so excited for this Walmart haul today because they just had a massive free assembly drop for spring and it's so designer inspired. I cannot believe how amazing these pieces are and I can't wait to share them with you. And they will have a very high sellout rate, which is why I'm trying to get this up as soon as possible. I will also have a styling companion video to this through our YouTube memberships. And if you're not familiar with that, I will leave the info in the description along with all of the links to the items. So thanks so much for watching and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. I know this free assembly set is going to be a favorite, and this little denim embroidered eyelet jacket is fabulous. It has such a nice soft feel being cotton spandex, and then look at the details in the eyelet and the scalloping and the embroidery around it. They just did such a good job, and it's also on the sleeve, so just beautiful and such a good fit, and it has a very high-end contemporary feel. And having details like this on items that cost this little I think is amazing. And wear it buttoned up as a top like I have, or open it up and wear it as a jacket. And the jeans I have on are a high-rise straight leg that just comes to my ankle. And this is a pretty high rise. It comes above my belly button, but really comfortable. And I'm so happy that these actually fit because free assembly jeans don't usually fit me. And these are great. And I love the detail, same detail of the scalloping and the eyelet and embroidery at the bottom. So what a fun little set to have. But these jeans you could also throw on sandals and a t-shirt. And the shoes I chose are a flat, which I'm glad I could wear flats with these since they were actually not too long on me. And these are the free assembly just woven flats in yellow because I think yellow is so cute for the spring and summer. And these just looked really good. And they also come in blue and sand. So I think I need all three colors because these are some of the best shoes I have found this season for a flat. I have to say that this dress is probably my favorite item in this video because they designed it so well. It has a great little boat neck here and it buttons all the way down. And my favorite part is all the buttons have the fabric material over them. So they blend perfectly. You cannot even see that they are there. Also, it has this nice little A-line skirt that has cute little seams that go straight down here and then kind of curve out. So it gives it more of a flounce, more of a full feel. And it is just so fun to wear and very comfortable. And I think this is going to be flattering on all different body shapes. It also has perfect pockets. Oh, and they lined the dress where they really didn't have to. And it's 100% cotton. So it's one of those perfect spring and summer dresses. And it also comes in pink, but I think the blue is just gorgeous. And the shoes I chose, of course, are blue. And these are the free assembly bow kitten heels that are so feminine and so pretty. And y'all, these look like a Kate Spade shoe that is out this year that is way more expensive. And this is probably even more comfortable. Sometimes Walmart shoes are really, really comfortable, more so than some of the designer ones. So I love these. They come in other colors as well. And I think this is the perfect shoe that you can dress up or down. This is one of those perfect little tees that we all need in our closet. It just has a nice elevated feel and it is by Free Assembly and it's cotton and has this cute little pleating they did at the sleeve here at the shoulder that makes the sleeve a little puffy and just adorable. And I also like that they made the collar around here, the crew neck, pink. And it's just such a pretty pink and white. It's not see-through. It's a good weight and very, very soft. And I also like the length of it because it looks good left untucked or you can front tuck it super easily and it looks good that way as well. And I did put it on with the eyelet jeans because I just wanted to show you the eyelet jeans in a more casual look, but I added a cute little mesh shoe that you might have seen in one of my last hauls, but y'all, this is such a great little block heel shoe that you can wear very casually like this or you could dress it up and it's really comfortable. And I think if you have a regular width foot, it's going to fit perfectly. I'm a little narrow, so it's loose, but wonderful, wonderful little mesh shoe. And this is a big trend for this season, so definitely check this one out. This is another very detailed contemporary look by Free Assembly, and I love this little crop top that is a very, very dark kind of soft denim material, and it has this embroidery on the front, and then you have the little lace embroidery around the collar and then on the sleeve, and it also has it at the bottom of the hem. So all the really good details are here. And it also has cute little ties. So very, very feminine. And this one is a perfect fit. It's really comfortable. And I love this cropped length. I think it goes really well with the skirt. But I also think if you put this on with white jeans, it would look amazing. And the skirt is a smocked waist skirt. And you can see it's kind of tiered. So it's kind of long. So it's like a drop waist almost. And you can pull it up or pull it down wherever you want it to sit, which is kind of nice because it has a lot of elastic. And then it has the embroidery at the hem, which I think is so pretty. And I love it when I can find matching sets because they just look more put together and more expensive. Plus, they can be very versatile because you can split them up and put them with other things. And the shoes I decided to put on are my Target wedges that I'm so in love with. They are a raffia material and just so incredibly comfortable for a wedge. And this is a big trend as well. There's a lot of wedge sandals out there, and some of them are too tall for me, but these were perfect. And they have such a good price, and they are a lookalike to an Anthropologie shoe. I've talked about these before, so take a look at them because I think they're going to be gone fast. I always love the Chanel inspired jackets that Free Assembly does every season, and this cream one with this nubby material, they call it a nubby jacket, is so good. It's like a tweed, and then it has a great little kind of rope trim around it that looks so high end, and then it has the gold and white buttons to match. So this is one of those perfect little jackets for this season because there's a lot of ivory and a lot of white, so it goes really well with a lot of the blues and pinks and yellows. And this one does have snap buttons, which makes it easy, and then it is also fully lined. So this is one of my favorite little Chanel inspired jackets they have done, and it fits perfect. And I have it over this great little smocked peplum maxi dress that's also by Free Assembly. And it's really comfortable with all the smocking here. And I do love these little ties. And I just have on a strapless bra. It's really comfortable and easy to wear. And then it has a nice flowy skirt. And y'all, there are pockets in this as well. So it's just perfect and really just fun. And you can wear this all spring and summer long. If you're going on vacation, this is that perfect vacation dress. And I decided to style it with the cute little bow kitten heel shoes in the blue, which I think is so pretty. I'm loving blue shoes and pink shoes this season. It's just a change, which is nice as opposed to all the neutral colors. So I just thought this was fun and a great little outfit for spring and summer. This Free Assembly cotton eyelet button-up shirt is to die for. So the details of this are spectacular. And the first thing is the scalloping on the collar that is so pretty, and also the scalloping on this elbow sleeve, and all the beautiful embroidery on this gorgeous puff. So this fits really nicely. It's cut well, and it has a great little cropped swingy length to it. So this is that perfect top that you can throw on and not have to worry about tucking it in. It's just fabulous. And this one comes in white and black, and I think it has a huge sellout rate. The jeans. So these are the Free Assembly high-rise loose wide leg jeans, and these are the best everyday Free Assembly jeans I've ever put on. And they have a nice vintage wash to them that kind of reminds me of Levi's and A. Goldie jeans. And then they have a 30-inch inseam, girls. So this is a short. They also come in regular and long, and these are just fabulous. They feel good too because they're cotton with a little bit of spandex. So a wonderful pair of jeans, probably the best pair of Free Assembly jeans I have put on. And I do think these are going to go really fast as well. And I decided to put them on with my Target little wedge raffia shoes because I think this is a great sandal that can go with a lot of your wider leg options for the spring and summer. And they just complete the looks with a just kind of a neutral color. So you can wear them with just about anything. Y'all have to check out this Free Assembly cable knit cardigan. It is so Chanel inspired. The cable knit is perfect on this, and then the gold buttons that mix with the pink, and then the short sleeve. So this is one of those little sweaters you're going to want to throw on with everything. And I think it's perfect just buttoned up as a sweater instead of wearing it open as a cardigan, but you can totally wear it open as a cardigan if you want to. And the baby pink is so pretty on this. If you could see it in person and feel it, it's wonderful. And I did decide to style it with the wide leg jeans by Free Assembly that I love so much. I think this light denim looks really good with the light pink. And then I came back in with a pink shoe, which these are the Free Assembly mesh block heels. And I had to do it. I had on a different shoe with this, and I thought, nope, I need to do the pink because the pinks match perfect. And when you can get items like this within the same line, the same designer, then they're going to match perfectly. And I just thought this was a great look that I would want to wear all the time. So Walmart has outdone themselves with these free assembly pieces. And the first item is this seersucker blazer that is a single breasted blazer that is fully lined, and it's nice and lightweight and perfect for this season. And it just fits so good. And usually free assembly blazers fit very well. They're very good quality. And I've never really remembered them doing a seersucker. So this is really fun, and that kind of preppy look is very in for the season. And I decided to style a little bit of a preppy sweater underneath it. And I love this sweater. It's a pointel sweater that has so much detail again, a little puff sleeve, and of course it has the cool little scallop collar right here. And I love that the buttons are yellow, same color as the sweater, which makes it look a little bit more high end. And this one is nice and comfy, and it comes in other colors. This is a very neon yellow. I thought it was going to be a light yellow, but no, it is a little more neon, but I love it. I think it's fun. But here's the pink, which is so pretty. I had to get the pink. And it has pink buttons down the front too. So these are great options and very fun pieces that you can wear by themselves, or you can layer them like I did here. And the pants are just a nice, very high rise crop wide leg in the seersucker. And it does have patch pockets, if you can't tell here. And there are also patch pockets on the back and some elastic in the waist. And I might recommend sizing down in these because they are a little bit big, and I had to pull them up so they wouldn't be so long, but really, really comfortable. And this leg is nice and flowy and cropped. And I decided to put on a pair of wedge heels. These are my Target heels that I love, and I think this is a great option when you have a flowy wide leg like this on. If you're shorter like I am, I think this style shoe is a very good option. So Free Assembly has done such a good job with all of their little sweaters this season, and I love this little basket weave cardigan in this beautiful blue, and it is Chanel inspired the way it's designed, and it's a little bit more simple than some of the other ones that they have because it's got smaller buttons, which are a matte gold, and then it's got cute little pockets here, and this basket weave pattern is a little bit more minimal, but it does have a cute little ruffle at the sleeve, which I thought was adorable. And this one is just easy to wear with just about anything. And I would definitely wear it as a top like this as to opening it up, but such a fun little sweater that's nice and lightweight for the season. And I do love it paired with navy. So I decided to put it with this pin tucked skirt, which is probably more of a midi length. They call it a knee length, and it definitely is not knee length, at least not on me. But I love how it has the drop waist, and it actually makes the skirt flare out a little bit more with all of the pin tucking, which pleats it. And I just love this. And it's just an elastic pull on option, and it's a very nice weighted skirt. So it just feels good. It's nice and soft and very, very well made. And I decided to come back with the little blue bow kitten heel shoes that are so cute just to match my sweater. And I think this is a cute little outfit to wear. If you have a date night or something, I think this would be a fun look, or maybe just a night out with the girls. So Free Assembly has just killed it with this collection, and this is another set that I thought was amazing. And this is the crop denim jacket, which I'm loving because it has the gold buttons that just makes it look very high end, and it has short sleeves, so it's really easy to wear. Wear it as a top, wear it as a jacket, and it does have a very high end look because this denim is very nice. It's a little bit heavier weight than some of the other denim pieces, and you can probably kind of tell, and it feels very vintage and cool. So I loved this and highly recommend it, and you can put it with loads of different things. But it did come with a matching skirt that's in the same denim, and this is a high-rise button-down skirt that is really good knee length. So this is pretty wonderful. I just have one little fail about it. So the buttons were really hard to unbutton on the jacket too. So I think with the heavier denim, it's going to loosen up. But also this button is a little loose. So it has a tendency to open up here. So you might need to add a hook and eye or something there, or tighten the button a little bit. So that was my only fail on this one. But the fit otherwise is really nice, and the length is good. So you could also put loads of other things with this skirt. So just really good denim pieces that are very low priced, but very high end look and feel. And I thought this outfit was super cute with a pink little flat sandal. And these are the Free Assembly little bow sandals. They're like the kitten heels they have, just with no heel. And they are really, really comfortable. And who doesn't want a pink shoe this year? Because there's a ton of them. And if you don't like a kitten heel and want a flat, definitely take a look at these, because they also come in the blue, black, and I think another like neutral color. So just a wonderful little sandal that's very comfortable. I just fell in love with this corset style mini dress by Free Assembly that is this wonderful cotton eyelet material. And the corset style of this dress is so flattering on all body shapes. It has a nice, just relaxed fit at the top. And then there's a dolman sleeve here, which I wanted to point out is a little open. But they added a slip to this dress, which is great, and it has adjustable straps to it, so you won't be showing off your bra or anything with this one. It'll be just fine. And it also has buttons that go all the way down, and I actually lost one, if you noticed that, while I was putting the dress on, but that's not a deal breaker. It happens with expensive items and lower price items. But the fit of this dress is wonderful, and I like the length and just the ease of the skirt, and I just think it's so pretty. And just one of those dresses you would have, you know, when you need a dress to go somewhere or a wedding or something, it's perfect. It also has perfect pockets, so you can make this kind of casual too if you wanted, and throw on some sneakers. But I decided to throw on a pair of cute little flats, which this is the Free Assembly little bow flat that I've had on with lots of different outfits, and it is so comfortable, y'all. And I love the light pink, but it does come in other colors. I also wanted to share a dress that was kind of a fail for me, because I kind of got stuck in this dress. My husband had to help me get out of it, because the waistline on this is super tiny and I couldn't get it over my hips because it has a zipper and they didn't bring the zipper down far enough. So I couldn't get it over my hips. I put it over my head and I kind of wiggled in it, and then I couldn't get out of it. But it is very flattering on, a very pretty. This reminds me of a Madewell dress I got last year, and it just has a nice A-line skirt, and it was made really well other than that. So if you have really thin hips, or if you're, you know, a little smaller at the top, this might really work for you to get it on either way and it work right. So don't give up. If you love the look of this, definitely order it and try. If it doesn't work, just return it, because it is a good little denim dress. So that is all for today. If you want to check out any of my other spring try-on hauls from Walmart, I will link the playlist here for you. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you next time.